Female orgasm isn't just physical, it's neurological, emotional, psychological, and deeply personal. Stimulation can come from many places, not just one. The clitoris? Over 8,000 nerve endings, more than any other human organ. The G-spot? A sensitive zone deep within the anterior vaginal wall. Even the cervix and nipples send signals straight to the brain. When stimulated, these areas activate the genital sense cortex, a dedicated region in your brain responsible for processing pleasure. Blood flow increases, muscles contract, and neurotransmitters flood your system: dopamine, oxytocin, endorphins. As arousal progresses, the vaginal walls begin to lubricate naturally through activation of the Bartholin's glands. At peak response, the body may undergo rhythmic contractions of the vagina, uterus, and anus. These contractions typically last between 6 and 17 seconds, though the duration varies greatly among individuals. But here's what no textbook tells you. Orgasm is also emotional. To feel it fully, you need safety, connection, trust, love, because lubrication is also essential for comfort. When reduced, whether from hormonal changes, contraceptives, or certain medications, penetration can become uncomfortable and in some cases even painful. Stress, anxiety, trauma, they can shut down the very circuits that make pleasure possible. There's no one-size-fits-all. Every woman experiences pleasure differently. Some reach orgasm through touch alone. Others need imagination, rhythm, intimacy, or all three. And unlike male physiology, female orgasm doesn't require a refractory period. You can experience multiple responses, back to back, without waiting. That's biology. That's power. Knowledge is liberation. Understanding your body, its science, its sensations, its stories, gives you agency. This isn't about performance. It's about presence, pleasure, power,